first scramble, I see white pieces here, 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 and here. Easy white cross. I'm going to move this blue down and to the back to line it up. And then bring this orange down and then do an F to L. And I noticed this pair got preserved. I noticed this pair first. Insert it into the back. Rotate this pair and this pair. If I insert this into the back now, it's going to break up this one. So I'm going to do a insert like that, then do this pair, and it's going to pair this one up nice. Like that. OLL. Peel. Second scramble. See white pieces here, 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 and here. I think I would start by moving this, then this one, then do a D like that. I see it's going to form this block here. So I'm going to rotate, bring this down, then I'm going to, and I see this as well. So I'm going to put this edge in here to form an X cross, and then also bring this out, finish the cross, insert this pair. These two line up nicely. These two. OLL. Peel. Scramble 3. See white pieces here, 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 here. I think I would probably do this D2 like that to line up the cross opposites, and then I can just do a D2. And I see this pair lined up nicely. Saw these two and nothing else, so I just had to do this pair. And here I could rotate like that, but I want to keep my front slots open, so I'm going to rotate this way instead, insert it into the back. I got this easy pair and this last easy pair. OLL or COLL, then Buchrem. Scramble number 4. See white pieces here, 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 and here. Probably gonna go to that. Insert orange and blue. Then these two next. Like that. See this block and this block right here. So I'm going to do this one because this one won't form nicely. Insert that to finish the X cross. Then I saw these two right away. Not the best case. Just gonna solve it like that. Then another bad case. Just gonna take it out, insert it into the back. We got OLL and peel. Fifth scramble. See white pieces here, 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 and here. See this pair, but do not believe I'm going to preserve it. I actually see a yellow cross is better actually. So I got these, this. Going to go that to line them up opposite, and then D2 insert the last one. And I saw these two right here. I paired up this as well. These two. Then these two. OLL and PLL.